I haven't been making lots of videos recently because, I mean, I made two videos on how at MCE we're investing in these two private companies, and the amount of work that it takes to do this is just monumental. Monumental. There is no room at all for videos or to think about anything else. We're talking about almost 150 applications that each individual has to submit to these companies. The applications have to be filled out correctly, they have to be signed correctly, they have to be sent to the right person, then the money has to be wired to the right place. And when you're dealing with so many people, somebody's wire gets rejected, the money gets sent to the wrong place. When the wire gets rejected, it has to be resent. It's just a nightmare to make sure that everybody's on board and to make sure, hey, did you get this person's application? Did the application was correct? Did you get the money? Did you get the right amount? And all this, there's just no room, absolutely no room for videos. That's why you're not seeing me making a lot of videos. And just about when we are about to, get everybody to the finish line, all the applications are accepted, all the money is sent, I get a phone call of another company that needs money. And this company is not on the YouTube channel, but it's a public company that received a very big contract recently. And I would say they are maybe 6 to 8 months from being profitable. But to get to that profitability, they just need a little bit of extra money to get to the finish line. So that's what, injecting capital into these companies is all about, is to help them succeed, get them to the finish line and become profitable. Because this company is I own about 1% of the company's shares. It's very interesting. It's one of those companies where, there's a lot of switching costs. There's only 3 competitors in the space, and that small company has the best software, has the best solution. So if they 9 times out of 10, when they are at the bidding table, they get the contract. But when you are, a company where you have a certain overhead, you need a certain amount of business to cover that overhead and finally become profitable. So we're almost there. Let's say 6 to 9 months, they're going to be profitable, but they just need a little bit of extra money. And I just got the phone call, like literally an hour before making this video, that they will also be needing some extra money. And it's not just, MCE. I mean, they're just making us part of it. But from my point of view, it's like I'm just working overtime trying to, get everybody in to the other 2 private placements. And now I get a phone call for a third one. And it's like, oh, I can't handle much more. So you're probably not going to see many more videos while this is happening because I'm just way too busy. It's just way, I want to make sure that everybody gets on board, whoever wants to get on board. And so that's why you haven't seen me posting much. But when I do see, some kind of news from either Oracle, Voxtra, or Aduro, I'll make sure I'll make a video about it, but not much more than that. So that's it for this video. Again, just like with the prior 2, if you are interested and you want to be part of those opportunities that are not part of the YouTube channel, you got to become a member of MCE. The discounted price is in the description below. So yeah, so give me another 2 to 3 weeks, hopefully, and I will be less busy and making more videos.